Hi, my name is Roger Lang with the FD Feng Shui Consultant. You know, the color will affect your house Feng Shui. Sometimes if you use the right color, which is make the house very good, but if you use the wrong color, sometimes it's bad. So when you choose the house color, you have to consider which area you want to apply to the color. The most important is have to pursue the 5-element balance. Use the color, the power to make a house Feng Shui good and excellent. So, okay, everybody know the color is related to the people's moon, because like I said, the blue color is for more calm color, and red color make people more exciting, and the black color we feel more depressed. So that's you first of all you need to know, because of the yin yang 5-element balance. What's the color for the yin yang color? Like I said, the wood color is a green color, fire color is red color or purple color, and the soil color is yellow color or brown color, and gold color is white and the gold, and watercolor is black and blue. Okay, so but if you have a different destiny, you probably you have some color is not good for you, and some color is good for you. So for the Feng Shui in your house, you have to be careful, apply to different destiny, because your destiny use the right color, and which is good for you. If you use the wrong color, which is not good for you. Okay, but most important for the house Feng Shui in the house is mostly concentrate on the whoever make most of the money, because like I say, it may be good for the father, maybe good for the mother. So whoever makes the most value, you have to match the color for that person. Okay, so especially like for the living room, for the floor, for the wall, for the curtain color, the biggest area, the color have to use the right color for match that person. And for personal, like another family, because the color wise, for like a bedroom, for the books, office, they have to match personal or favorite color to make people feel better and have a good fortune, have good luck. So okay, so for example, the living room and the dining room, okay, and we have to use the color right for that person, and which is making most money. But mostly like for living room, for dining room, you use like a calm color, the middle, or like a light yellow or light green or light a white color. That can keep people calm to promote the house Feng Shui. And but because different people, because of people in the family, they all have different destiny. So no matter what kind of destiny they have, but you can use those colors. There's no problem. But in living room and dining room, not suggest using like a red or black color, because that color is so strong. Maybe it's not good for house Feng Shui. But recently the modern design or interior design, people use a lot of red color and black color. They all like a red color, they easy to make people high temper, and also they feel like nervous. So that will cause problem. And if you use too much black color, that will cause family inside in the house, they feel like depressed. So or use a lot of dark blue, they cause the people like depressed. So don't use those color apply to the room. So that's better. Even though that's your favorite color, you probably use a little bit lighter color. Don't use like dark color. Okay. So yeah, even though the living room, the dining room, the ceiling color, you have to match, because the ceiling and the floor, the ceiling have to use lighter color, and the floor use heavy color. Some restaurant use the heavy color on the top, and the light color on the floor. That's not right, because the things come to like a reverse. So which is the tops of the boss and the floor is supposed to be employee, but you change the color, which is the employee don't listen to the boss. So that's you have to be careful. The color, which part is supposed to darkness, and which part is supposed to light. Okay, so some other color, like I said, in the kitchen, in the dining room, you can use a little colorful color, because the kitchen belong to like fire color. So okay, then we talk about kitchen. The kitchen, the major color, because the kitchen in feng shui is majorly it belongs to fire. So if you use a fire color, like I said, or red color, but sometimes red color is too strong for the kitchen, because the kitchen is fire already. You use red color will cost fire too much. So it's better not use red color. My personal idea, the red color maybe use the restroom, because sometimes in the restroom, because the fire and the water, that's okay, but don't use in the kitchen, because the kitchen already too much fire. So you use a red color, you make people very crazy. So you have to be careful, use that color, but also don't use like a black color or dark blue color, because the kitchen is fire. You use watercolor kind of against each other, so better you don't use that. So okay, because that way not only you affect to the financial wise, also affect to the people emotion wise, because inside if you use water and fire color against each other, they will cause people argument. Also it's very bad for woman, housewife. Also it's bad for the health too. So in kitchen, I would suggest you use lighter color. Don't use the too dark color, because that way it will keep a whole family very peaceful. So okay, so okay, right now we talk about the room, the bedroom. The bedroom, because it's for people rest. So you have to design a good feng shui, let people rest, have enough energy. So the lights is not, don't put too much light, because we say the room, the light in the room is supposed to darken the living room. That's have some kind of feng shui related, but the room color is supposed to match such person the destiny, because some people maybe like favor like a lighter color, pink color, something like that. So you have to match your personal destiny. For example, if the person born in the summertime, because they might need a little lighter watercolor, because summer have less water, so you use maybe light blue, something like that. If they born in the winter time, because it's cold, so they might need a little warm color. But details, you still need to use like destiny to come out the favorite color. Okay. Another one we're talking about, the kids' bedroom. Kids' bedroom, is for kids learning. So don't apply whatever like master bedroom style apply to the kids' bedroom, because the kids is growing, so they're not supposed to apply to that type of feng shui, but still have some kind of feng shui is good. Designed to help the kids growing to good learning. And like I said, the table, the layout, the bed layout, bed for kids to sleep on the overnight. They need to have good energy, and the desk layout have to right, so to good for learning, and so on. But the colors still have to apply kids color. So kids favorite color, because kids normally we use light green, and the green is for learning. So it's a light one color, a light yellow, something. But the overall still have to match the kids' favorite color in their destiny. So that's very important, because that will affect how kids learn in school or relationship or something like that. So okay, another one we talk about the office. Office, of course, it's maybe for study, for working. Also, they have to use a little light green color, because the green color is mean promotion, smarter, or make your brand, motivated. So, but sometimes if the people in the office or study room, if they like too excited, they cannot calm down. You have to use a little calm color. For example, like a light yellow, white color, or something that they can calm it down, or even light blue, you can calm it down. But if the person already too depressed or not too quiet already, the office color or study room color, maybe you a little bit exciting color like light pink or light or light orange, something like that, to motivate people study. That's something you have to think about, apply to the room. Okay, so but don't use anything too strong color like a very fancy neon green, neon blue, neon orange, something like that. It's not good. So, okay, all this color, like when you make a decision, you have to make your people's destiny. That destiny have something, a color missing. You have to know what color are they missing. No matter they born in the winter, summer or something like that. That's only first thinking. Maybe you talk about is still have to be know people's destiny before you apply the color. Okay, all right, thank you very much for your watching. Any question? My name is Roger Lang with FD Feng Shui Consultant. Welcome to call me. My phone number is 626-679-4511, and welcome anytime. Thank you. Bye bye.